I hear it now, the noise of life, people in conflict, burdened with strife, no firm direction of where to go, saddled with guilt of sin and woe. I seek it now, the quiet time, removed from anger and sin that blinds, for in the quiet I can talk to you. O Lord above, my soul renew. When I am still, the stress removes. My spirit is calm, it always proves that you are here with me, I know. Guide me now, to you I go. I seek it now, the quiet time, removed from anger and sin that blinds, for in the quiet I can talk to you. O Lord above, my soul renew. I seek it now, the quiet time, removed from anger and sin that blinds, for in the quiet I can talk to you. O Lord above, my soul renew.